for her wonderful speech and her grace in mentioning the historic achievement of the nation under the great leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Ji. The BJP government under Modi's leadership have brought people of all communities together, and the people of Northeast have reaped of the hill tribes of Assam for implementation of Article 244A of the Constitution of India.
Openly claims that his power has been stripped by the union government. We don't know who claims that his power has been stripped by the union government. We don't know who is in charge of the state of Manipur. Imagine the Chief Minister of Maharashtra saying, Mumbai is under my control and the rest of Maharashtra is under the union government. That is an illegal subversion of the constitutional mechanism and democracy in this country in the 75 years of our experience. The Minister ordered something, the Central Security Forces refused to obey the order. And there are images where the Central Armed Forces stopped the Manipur police from responding to armed attacks on innocent villagers. This complete chaos is what we witnessed in the 75th year of the Constitutions. You have sent in 60,000 plus troops. And under whose command those are working? If Article 355 or 365 has been invoked, where is the written documents? Indian state has become nothing but a banana republic in the state of Manipur. But in the most secure place in Manipur called the Red Seal Divisions, the 57 Mountain Division, an army garrison, and a civilian by the name Kamal Babu, Laishram Kamal Babu, disappeared without a trace. Since November, the defense minister kept quiet, the army chief kept quiet. How secure is the people of Manipur even when you are not secure in the military garrisons? The biggest army headquarters in the state of Manipur, the 57 Mountain Division. People have been killed, children, women have been assaulted. But we have seen hostage taking. Women and children were not only been taken hostage, they were killed in cold-blooded in the most gruesome manner. In Jiribam, I am as an MP cannot go to some part of Manipur. Where is Article 19 free movement? People are not able to go. The Chief Minister himself cannot go to certain places. Some MLAs belonging to tribal groups cannot come and attend the assemblies. And we think Article 19 is working in the state of Manipur, and we are celebrating 75th year of the Constitution. Where is Article 19? Very unfortunately, I have been hearing our ministers and leaders saying that Kukis and Meiteis should talk to each other. Have you ever heard when the communal violence happens, Hindus and Muslims should talk to each other? The authority of the Indian state has been challenged by armed groups. Many of them have been propped up by the Indian security agencies, as many observers have pointed out. Many of these Kuki armed groups under the SU, they have been propped up by Indian security forces, and unfortunately on media you see BJP entering into an understanding with them for them to get help to win elections. Now they are playing havoc. They are running wild. Similarly, in the valley areas, there are armed groups which is reportedly nurtured by political leadership from your party. And this is where you wanted to keep silent. You don't want the rest of the country to